1 bed, 1 bath, 1 car. A wonderful first eastern suburbs purchase or an astute investment opportunity, this smart apartment is found within the contemporary security building Belvoir Apartments. Quietly set at the rear of the development, it enjoys a sun-soaked northwesterly aspect and comes complete with prized security parking. Both the spacious bedroom with built-in robes and the light-filled living and dining space open to a covered balcony with exterior blinds to shelter it from the afternoon sun. It accommodates a modern open-plan kitchen with a dishwasher, along with a mosaic tiled bathroom with integrated laundry space. There's also a sunny common rear entertaining terrace. A great entry into Surrey Hills, with no more to spend, it offers unbeatable convenience to cafes, entertainment, Central Station, and Prince Alfred Park and Pool. For more information, please contact Denny Bernardo at Place Estate Agents.